Hey everyone. Okay, so we're going to talk about navigating the white keys, the names of all the white keys, and I've got three kind of five-finger, what we call pentascale positions. So to begin, we've already learned that there's a group of black keys like 2 and 3, the pattern 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, and on, all the way up. So around each group of these keys, we can learn what the white keys are. So for instance, around the 2 black keys, the 3 white keys are C, D, and E. C, D, E. If I go to the next group of 2 black keys, I have C, D, and E. Next group, C, D, and E. So you want to memorize saying to yourself, C, D, and E surround the 2 black keys, and then go down and play the entire piano saying or thinking C, D, E. Next group, C, D, E. Next group, C, D, E. You also want to play all the C's. So for instance, C, 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 C. Do the same thing with the D's, all the D's, and all the E's. So that's step 1, memorizing that C, D, and E surround the 2 black keys. Okay, then we just have the group of 3 black keys left. So there's 4 white keys surrounding that. And you want to memorize this. These letters are F, G, A, B. So you want to memorize F, G, A, and B surround the 3 black keys. And then play them and say them. So F, G, A, B. Next group, F, G, A, B. Next group, F, G, A, and B on the whole piano. And the same thing as with the white keys, with the first group that we had C, D, and E, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to play all the Fs. Just go to the next group. Try all the Gs. Try all the As. And try all the Bs. Okay, so that's how you learn the names of the keys. And you want to learn those and you want to memorize them. Now, when we move in to these 5-finger positions, you're not going to necessarily think the names of those notes. You're just going to use your knowledge of those notes to find where to put your hand, and then you're simply going to play. So, for instance, you're going to take your thumb, finger number 1 of the right hand, and you're going to find C. So, 2 black keys, thumb goes to C. The other 4 fingers, just go on every key after that. So our thumb's on C, we have 5 fingers, 5 notes. It's called a pentascale. You can play it here, you can move to the next group up. And the next group up. Just like we did with the black keys, you can make up your own patterns within those 5 notes. Maybe like this. And that first note is always our home. It's always going to sound like home base. A popular melody on these 5 keys, not to bring up the holiday season too soon, but you can play Jingle Bells right here, starting on the middle note. Right, in 5 fingers. Okay, so that's our right hand, what we call C pentascale. We're going to learn 2 other pentascales that go also on the white keys that is going to translate into the book. C goes in the book. The other one is G. So if you remember the 3 black keys, the white keys that surround it are F, G, A, B. So again, you take your thumb, your first finger, and you find G. 3 black keys, G. And then you just put your fingers on the keys. There's our G pentascale. You can play Jingle Bells here. You get the idea. It's the same exact position as C. It's just higher. But the sound, the relative sound, is the same. The other position that we're going to learn here on this video is not in the book, but it's kind of cool to learn what's called a minor key position. So if you find A, 3 black keys, F, G, A, and you put your thumb on A, and you play those 5 fingers, we're going to have what's called an A minor pentascale. And the biggest difference is this middle note. It gives it kind of more of a melancholy sound. If you played the same pattern Jingle Bells here, it would not sound right. It sounds kind of the same, but it's, again, it got that more melancholy sound. Okay, those are the 3 right hand positions. I'm gonna make another video showing you the left hand chord shapes, so the video is not too long. So see you next video.